fret not. I got you, chat. Okay, we're gonna downsize this top just because there is a little bit of that excess fabric and kind of droop in the back, and a zipper is a good way to make like a good form, and then it's an easy way to get in and out of clothing. And just because this is a little bit bigger, again, clothes should fit you, not the other way around. And this is true for if your clothes are too big. The saying is valid for all sizes. So let's get into it. First step, figure out how much you want to remove. All right, for me, it ended up being about 2 inches. Okay, I want to put my zipper on the center back. So the best way to find the exact center is to get the 2 side seams, fold it in half. Booyah, there she is. And then I'm just gonna, this always scares me because it's like you're cutting into the, but it's fine. You're fine, take a deep breath and you're fine. And then you're just gonna, so then that marks the center. Okay, it was 2 inches on one side. So in total, it actually means it was 4 inches because I just measured, like when I was pinching it, I just measured from my body up to the point where it like folded. So in total, it's actually 4 inches all the way down. Oh my God, there's a gorgeous butterfly. She's so lovely. Where'd she go? I promise she was there, y'all. Okay, now it's time for a little mathy math. You're gonna take off 2 inches and 2 inches, but wait. Hold up, halt. Don't do nothing yet because this is the math where you have to account for the seam allowance. And I don't know, I don't really measure it. I just kind of do whatever the length of my presser foot is. That's just kind of what so I just kind of like eyeball that. So I'll do half, hold up. Okay, so because it was 2 inches, I'm just gonna leave on about ½ an inch left. So I'm actually gonna cut till 1.5, up there. And that's on both sides. You wanna do that for both. Booyah. Okay. First, make sure your zipper works. Open her up. Okay, slay. Now, we're gonna sew her right here. When you get closer to the bottom, I'm gonna add the skirt onto this part, but don't worry about that, right? When you get closer to the bottom, you'll zip it up, backstitch, and then because the zipper's not in the way, then you can finish through the rest. And for a nice finish, don't like just end it here. That sounds, no, okay. Don't put this up to here. Don't do it more this way. Then fold it over and then she'll look all pretty. Okay, the same thing that you did on this side with the zipper, you're gonna do on this side. Once you get that, you'll just, and get her not caught in the fabric. That's what you're gonna do. There you go, look at the, all right. And then you can see the top where it's folded over nice. And then the way that I finish it off was I'm not great at, let me think about my words. Okay, how I would display this is there's like, you do that and I'll show you on the inside. This is what I'm talking about, where this is like 2 separate, it's like sewn separately here, but then you bring it together near the bottom and I'll start where that line is here and I just bring it inwards and I went onto this fabric a little bit, which I think is good because then it like really makes sure that there's no frayed edges on the outside. And yeah, you'll just go and you'll bring it in. That's it. That's how to finish that hoe. And I'm not sure if that's like the professional way, but that's the way I do it. I feel like it looks nice. It's like, look. Oh, I'll trim that thread, fret not. But yeah, and then it goes like how I was saying, where it's like woo, and then it just goes in and it's later. But that is what is up. There you go. I hope you found that helpful. Okay, here is the dress all done, and you can see the adjustments where it's just a little bit tighter here, swoops in nice, and then, oh my God, the ass, hold up. It does a nice little like, whoop, I like that a lot. I like it a lot. She just looks good. Big fan. Yeah, okay, there's that.